Craving Cars is back to you. Hi, I'm Corey, and this is Crossroads Cars' first car show put on by Aristocrat Motors. We are down here around the downtown area, Crossroads District in Kansas City, Missouri. Let's check out the show. Alright, so I found a random participant at the car show here. And what was your name again?
Jeremy Greathouse.
Jeremy, nice to meet you. What'd you bring today?
I brought a 2000 Pontiac Trans Am.
Alright, very cool. Now, what do you think of the Crossroads Cars' first car show?
I think it was a good turnout. You know, we had plenty of space, plenty of good looking cars, definitely a variety of cars. I mean, the old schools, modern age, tuners, I mean, they got it all. It's a good turnout, good little food truck down the road, great environment. Couldn't ask for a better day.
And it's the location. We're really centrally located right here, aren't we?
Yes.
So it really is like perfect spot for everybody all around to come to this thing. Maybe that's why it turned out so well.
Yeah, most car shows are on the outskirts. This one being in town is actually good. You know, good vibe,
Yeah,
Kansas City
cool.
live.
Well, cool, man. Thanks, Jeremy.
No problem, man. I appreciate it.
All right. I came across another random car participant here. Okay, he's not that random. Armando, of course, anybody catch the last video, which is being worked on, you're going to see exactly what he drives, but it's a Honda Accord wagon, right?
Yeah.
With an RV swap.
Yeah.
All right.
Pretty crazy.
But the real question today is, with Crossroads Cars' first car show, what do you think? By putting on by Aristocrat Motors, how do you think it turned out?
I think it was a really good turnout, actually. Needed a little bit more space, but
Really did, actually, didn't we?
yeah. But I mean, it filled up pretty quick, and I think it's a good location. You know, people seem to really be enjoying themselves and hanging out and stuff like that. So hopefully there's more of this. So
Yeah, I agree. Thank you, bud.
yeah, no problem.
And another person here, and introduce yourself for me, please.
Hi, I'm Roxanne Watts.
And what did you bring today?
We brought a 2014 Morgan three-wheeler.
Which is very unique. And I've only seen one other one, and that was yours at another show, which really doesn't count. It was the same car. So, Crossroads Cars, first car show. What do you think? How do you?
Well, I really like it because we usually go to car shows that are out, maybe in smaller towns and in the countries. I really like it being in the middle of the city. It's pretty cool.
That, you know what? You're not the only person that I've heard that from.
Yeah,
and it's really been a fun time and a good turnout and perfect weather, right?
It is. Couldn't be better. Couldn't
right.
be better. It's just beautiful today.
Cool. Thanks for your time.
You bet.
Appreciate it. Alright, so we got another one here. Can you tell me your name?
Jorge Hernandez.
Jorge Hernandez. Nice to meet you, buddy. And what was brought today?
I came out here with my dad. He brought his 34 Ford. Pretty nice car.
It is very nice. Yeah, I think it's one of the most unique interiors that I've seen today at the show here. So
yeah, it's pretty good.
So what did you think overall? So with Crossroads Cars' first car show here, how do you think it was? How do you think it turned out? And how do you think the atmosphere was today?
I think it's pretty good. I mean, you got a pretty good turnout of, you know, some old muscle cars, just old classic cars, newer stuff, just kind of strange stuff like that Morgan over there is kind of cool.
Yeah, very different. I don't see too many of them.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So yeah, it was a pretty good turnout. I mean, like I said, there's a lot of kinds of different cars. So, you know, you got everything from old muscle cars to newer cars. So
Yeah,
good turnout.
very nice variety. I'm getting that a lot. It's you don't always get this kind of variety. You know, this beautiful day on a show like this on the first shot. So
Right, and it's a nice day out there too.
yeah, it's not hurting it at all, is it?
No.
No. Well, appreciate it.
Alrighty.
Thanks for being on here. All right, take it easy. Nice to meet you, man. What was your name again?
Leo, nice to meet you.
Leonardo? What'd you bring today?
Brought the 2018 twin turbo C63. As you can see, hand built in Germany. It's a lot of fun to drive. I love it. I feel fortunate to own it, you know, because I mean, there's not too many of them around. So,
absolutely.
but yeah, it's an amazing car, and
of course, AMGs are just monster engine builders anyway.
Monster, man. This thing is a beast.
But now for Crossroads Cars' first car show, what did you think it turned out?
Pretty good turnout, actually. You know, I was surprised, man. We actually filled up this lot here, and they had to even go expand out to the other lot.
Yeah,
so it's a little bit surprising. Yeah, a little bit surprising. Even early on, it was just packed for cars. So
not bad for a first turnout, right?
Not bad at all.
What do you think of the variety of cars they got out here today?
I was surprised to see a couple of these Ferraris here. So I was surprised to see that.
Yeah, so we got exotic all the way to total opposite.
Total opposite.
And from domestic to all over the world cars. We got Japanese and European, old and new.
Hot rods, I mean, you name it, it was here. So it was a pretty good turnout, pretty good show.
Very cool.
Even like this thing right here coming up here.
Oh, the Morgan. That thing is so cool.
Yeah, that's something else, isn't it?
let's do a quick little. Well, thanks, Leo. Appreciate your time on here and your opinion on the whole show. I just thought it would be kind of something different to tell, so when they go back and can see the video, they can see what the people showed up like what they felt like the show was like. So
Okay, yeah, awesome.
I'm sure they'll
yeah.
be good to hear the feedback.
That's exactly. Well,
Take it easy.
come out next time, guys.
All right. Now, we got something else, not just a random participant of the show, but the one who is responsible for putting it on. Introduce yourself real quick.
My name's Henry Ricardo. I just turned 17 a couple days ago. Put this show on.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, yeah. Aristocrat Motors sponsoring the event. So yeah.
Very cool. So it sounds like everybody's liking the turnout.
Yeah.
Everybody's liking the variety.
Everyone's loving it.
But what do you think? Now this is the Crossroads Cars first car show.
This is the first car show.
Which it'll never be named that next time because it'll have to be Crossroads Cars second car show next
Exactly.
time. Hopefully we'll get that second one, right?
Yeah, it'll probably happen sometime in the spring.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it's kind of a nice to kind of finish the season off where you think things are dying down, and then we got someone like you putting on a show like this that turned out to be great. Great location and everything.
Yeah, thanks.
So everybody, we appreciate it. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thanks for being a sport and being on the show too.
Thanks for coming out.
All right. Take it easy, guys. This is Corey with Craving Cars. We're signing out for the day. And for all you cravers out there, I gotta say,
I just couldn't make
keep
up my
craving.
mind and I
Keep
was-
craving.
There you go. High five.
Thanks.
All righty.
Yeah.